Hi everyone, I'm here at closeoutexplosion.com. My name is Donnie Lowy. I have a wholesale business here in Brooklyn, New York, and one of the items that I carry is brand name dresses. These dresses are by brands such as Iron Richards, Nightaway, Morgan & Company. They're beautiful dresses. I have dresses here from size 5/6 all the way up to size 18. In many popular sizes, you can see there's many sizes here. 14, I've seen size 16, size 12, size 10. You have all different colors, all different styles. This one here's another size 14. I've sold these dresses wholesale for as high as $30 each. Right now, I have them on a big sale, so you're welcome to contact me. I'm happy to give you the sales price. I would say these dresses can retail in department stores and boutiques for up to, I would say originally, for up to about $250. Of course, most department stores and boutiques will, sell their merchandise on a sale price, but still, you're buying them from me at a low enough price that I believe you can sell them for less than the department stores sell them and that most stores sell them for. Here's a Nightaway dress. This one, let's see what size it is. I'll check in a second. This one is size 6, color pewter. This dress is size 8 by Nightaway. Here we have a size dress, size 10. Size dress, size 12. Now, while this video doesn't show you all the dresses, because I have some dresses in the boxes, right, that are not on the top, that are not visible, but all the styles are very, very similar to what you're watching in this video. If you'd like to see additional pictures, I'm very happy to show them to you. And I can also send you additional videos. Dress here, size 16. Alright, thank you so much for watching. And I am looking forward to doing business with you. Have a great day. Alright, thank you for watching.